Guys, magandang araw po. Magtanggal po tayo guys ng ball joint, lower upper shock absorber and upper suspension and lower suspension guys. Samahan niyo guys kung paano magtanggal. Tingnan lang guys mabuti kung paano po magtanggal. Una natin guys tanggalin yung upper suspension arm. Isunod po natin guys yung shock absorber, tapos lower suspension arm. Tingnan mabuti guys kung paano magtanggal. Ayun guys, atin natin yung caliper. Tapos isunod natin guys yung upper suspension arm. Pero guys, unahin muna natin yung tanggalin yung spindle guys. Samahan nyo guys kung paano magtanggal po. Ayun guys, palitan mo natin ng brake pads guys, kasi matigas na guys ang brake pads niya, kaya nagigik sa pag nagpipreno. Ayun guys, matigas na guys, yan guys, yan. Guys, wala na guys, matigas na. Tumutulog yan guys pag pipreno ka. Akala mo naubusan ka ng brake lining. Diyan na guys, mabuti guys kung paano magtanggal ng ball joint and lower upper ball joint at shock absorber. Amalan naman ng device ay amalan ko pa natin guys. Ayun guys, yan lang kabilis guys magtanggal guys ng guys, spindle. Yan. Yan. Next natin tanggalin guys ang upper yung upper arm bushing, upper arm. Ito guys, yung next natin tanggalin guys, pasunod-sunod yan guys, pasunod-sunod lang ang tanggalin natin. Tambil ko. Dulu siya pre. Di ko pa. Dapat sulit. Okay guys, ating mabuti guys. Yung nakakagano. Okay guys, tanggal guys. Ayan guys. Tanggal natin guys yung upper suspension. Ito pa natin guys, oh. Suspension bushing and ball joint upper. Yung next natin guys na tanggalin guys, itong shock absorber ano guys, ito. Tinaman po ito guys. Paano magtanggal po? Ayan guys, tanggalin natin yung tatlong nut sa taas po ng shock para po matanggal natin yung shock absorber. Samahan nyo ko guys. Guys, atin na po guys. And guys, natin yung shock absorber guys. Shock absorber. Okay guys. Palitan po natin ito guys. Next na papalitan natin guys ang lower suspension guys. Tanggalin po natin ito guys. Palitan natin ito ng ball joint tapos suspension bushing. Guys, sama nyo guys. Undo ka. German, hello. Lubricate yan. Ayan guys. Tanggal na guys. Tanggal na yung lower suspension arm. Palitan ng suspension bushing and ball joint lower. Guys. Guys. Ayun guys yung tinanggal ko guys. Ayan o. Kinatay ko guys. Ito upper suspension. Palitan ng suspension bushing upper and ball joint upper. Itong spindle niya guys. Simple. Palitan guys ng shock absorber. Guys, palitan ito ng shock absorber. Yung lower arm suspension guys. Palitan natin guys ng guys, ball joint lower and suspension bushing arm. Ito. Palitan po natin ito guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Abangan nyo guys yung part 2 kung paano magbalik po. Salamat.